You probably think you already know daily use English sentences, but wait. Most people keep repeating the same 20 sentences without even realizing it. Today, I'm going to give you 100 fresh, powerful sentences, and I bet by the end, you'll discover at least 50 you have never used before. The weather is pleasant. The weather is pleasant. It's too hot today. It's too hot today. It's drizzling. It's drizzling. I'm enjoying the view. I'm enjoying the view. The road is blocked. The road is blocked. Let's take a shortcut. Let's take a shortcut. This place is crowded. This place is crowded. Watch your step. Watch your step. The shop is closed. The shop is closed. I'm looking for a taxi. I'm looking for a taxi. The price is too high. The price is too high. Can you lower it? Can you lower it? Keep the change. Keep the change. Let's grab a coffee. Let's grab a coffee. I'm meeting a friend. I'm meeting a friend. Long time no see. Long time no see. What a surprise. What a surprise. Let's click a picture. Let's click a picture. Send me the photo. Send me the photo. It was fun. It was fun. I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted. Let's watch a movie. Let's watch a movie. Which one do you suggest? Which one do you suggest? Turn down the volume. Turn down the volume. Pass me the blanket. Pass me the blanket. The next sentence is something you can say right now. Can you guess what it is? Let's cook something. Let's cook something. The curry is too spicy. The curry is too spicy. Pass me the salt. Pass me the salt. The food smells great. The food smells great. Let's eat together. Let's eat together. I'm full. I'm full. Save some for later. Save some for later. The dishes are dirty. The dishes are dirty. I will wash them. I will wash them. The floor is sticky. The floor is sticky. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. The fan is making noise. The fan is making noise. Turn off the TV. Turn off the TV. The Wi-Fi is not working. The Wi-Fi is not working. The power is back. The power is back. Draw the curtains. Draw the curtains. The room is messy. The room is messy. I will clean it later. I will clean it later. Let's relax. Let's relax. The next sentence will make you sound like a pro. I barely woke up. I barely woke up. My eyes are still heavy. My eyes are still heavy. Let me freshen up first. Let me freshen up first. I will make the bed in a minute. I will make the bed in a minute. The water is too cold. The water is too cold. I'm brushing my hair. I'm brushing my hair. The milk is boiling. The milk is boiling. I'm making tea. I'm making tea. Don't skip breakfast. Don't skip breakfast. The bread is burnt. The bread is burnt. I'm wearing my shoes. I'm wearing my shoes. Let's head out. Let's head out. The bus is running late. The bus is running late. I will drop you halfway. I will drop you halfway. Don't rush. Don't rush. I forgot my wallet. I forgot my wallet. Lock the door properly. Lock the door properly. The keys are on the table. The keys are on the table. Close the windows. Close the windows. I'm heading to work. I'm heading to work. Let's get started. Let's get started. I'm stuck in this task. I'm stuck in this task. Could you help me out? Could you help me out? This is urgent. This is urgent. I'll call you back. I'll call you back. The file is missing. The file is missing. I need a break. I need a break. Let's take 5. Let's take 5. The meeting is postponed. The meeting is postponed. I'm running out of time. I'm running out of time. Send me the details. Send me the details. I'll check my schedule. I'll check my schedule. This needs improvement. This needs improvement. The printer is not working. The printer is not working. Let's wrap it up. Let's wrap it up. I'm heading home. I'm heading home. Call it a day. Call it a day. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow. Keep me updated. Keep me updated. Good job. Good job.